Hi, I'm Shioupyn Shen, founder and CEO of CloudMosa. Welcome to a quick introduction to CloudPhone.
CloudPhone uses cloud technologies to offload the heavy lifting of processing and storage from the device itself. This architectural approach allows us to provide a rich, responsive experience and bring users the apps they want, even on limited feature phone hardware. CloudPhone was created to address digital inclusion and create new business opportunities across the mobile ecosystem in the process. Digital inclusion requires A, connectivity, plus B, affordable devices with compelling applications. Connectivity has improved, but the real challenge lies in access to affordable devices for those with limited incomes. We call this the B gap, which we aim to tackle for the billions of people worldwide that still lack crucial access to the internet and app ecosystem. This solution is set to usher in a new era of affordable connectivity and huge opportunities for growth and innovation for telecom carriers, phone manufacturers, and content providers in the transition from 2G to 4G and beyond. CloudPhone is now fast expanding to provide affordable access to more users across the globe with a growing ecosystem of partners including HMD, itel, Mobicel, Viettel, and many more.
Thanks for watching. Join the movement to cloud up the next billion users and find out more at cloudphone.tech.